All right, there is our view from the Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport after storms have moved through. We're starting to see a little bit more in the way of return of some sunshine. And the storms that have passed through have, for the most part, gobbled up a lot of the energy. And so going forward, yes, we could still see something isolated in terms of a severe storm, but I think that was the main event that just came through basically between 3 o'clock and now. The severe thunderstorm watch is still in effect until 9 o'clock, and our concern really going into this was damaging wind gusts and again, some small hail. Right now, activity is focusing near and just to the west of the 95 and along the 95 corridor. Still across easternmost sections of Louisa County, we have a warning that goes until 6:45. So this is near the Jackson area. This will be pushing into Hanover County, damaging wind gusts the main threat. Still some moderate rain with some ongoing lightning from the storms from east of Palmyra out toward Columbia and Kent Store, and that headed into Goochland. Go a little farther off to the west, Lake Monticello, down toward Antioch. Some heavier downpours here in progress. Some locations have picked up well over an inch of rain, and of course activity beginning to taper off now, especially west of Dillon. A few more light to moderate rainfall through eastern Madison, much of Culpeper, and down toward the Gordonsville area and much of Orange County. So there's our main line now, and then the little break, and then there's some additional showers and storms out to the west. The actual cold front is still out near the Ohio River, so that will not be coming through until we get into tomorrow morning. And so that's going to touch off additional rain. But still, for the next couple of hours, we'll keep the first alert in play for that damaging wind threat. But a lot of the energy's kind of been eaten up from daytime highs that climbed into the low and mid 90s. So we were 95 before those storms set in, and look where temperatures are right now. 70 at the airport, 76 in Palmyra. We've got some upper 60s from Waynesboro to Stanton to Harrisonburg at this hour. So Futurecast is trying to depict additional showers and storms early this evening. Again, may not be exact or approximation, but there will be a few, and then activity basically begins to wind down as we head through the late night period. The actual front will cross through the morning hours midday. So temperatures overnight in the mid to upper 60s, and then here we are after midnight and beyond. We'll have some showers in the morning, maybe a few downpours. Additional rain is all good news. We certainly need that. And the front itself by afternoon will be off to our east. Skies will begin to clear from west to east, and we'll see afternoon highs generally in the lower 80s. And you'll also notice the drop off in the humidity in comparison to where we were today. So going forward, again, a little break from the humidity after some morning midday rain. Warm and sunny, seasonable day on Wednesday, and then Thursday we're back to around 90 or so, and we'll have additional storm chances by the end of the week. So again, a cold front is out to the west, acting upon a very hot and humid air mass. The winds aloft were strong, helping to create the threat for some of those damaging wind gusts and the severe threat that is, again, will wind down over the next few hours. So temperatures tonight will be into the mid and upper 60s. Showers will still linger. It's a wet go of things throughout the morning and midday hours tomorrow before we start to see some improvements by the afternoon. And there's a look as we go forward this week. Temperatures upper 80s to around 90. Better storm chances toward the end of the week, and we'll watch the weekend, which could be a bit unsettled as well. Any rain certainly needed.
All right, Eric, thank you.
And don't forget to check of your forecast.